Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make an easy peasy cheesy chicken quesadilla. So easy, you'll be done in less than 30 minutes. So if you want to see how it's done, keep on watching. Also, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's make it. We're going to start with one chicken breast. I am going to slice it right in the middle, just like so. Mine didn't really slice right in the middle. I had one kind of thicker than the other, but that is fine, okay? Once you're done cutting your chicken, it'll cook faster too. That's why I slice it right in the middle. We're going to season the chicken. I am adding salt. Then I'll be adding a little bit of cumin. Next, I am going to add some oregano, dried powdered oregano, with black pepper, with a little bit of onion powder. Like I said in the video, be sure to check the description box as always for your measurement. Okay, now after you add your onion powder, add your garlic powder, and then we'll be adding a little bit of chili powder. I use actually a lot more of the chili powder. I just love the flavor of that. So we're going to add all of the seasoning on the chicken breast, and then what we're going to do next, guys, is rub it in. Okay, just use your hand to rub the seasoning all over the chicken. This is a quick, easy recipe, so it doesn't require long seasoning and let it sit for about 30. You're hungry, you want this food now, so just rub it in. And then what we're going to do is, well, add some more. I guess I added a little bit more because I wanted more flavor on the chicken. Next, I am going to add a little bit of olive oil, about, I'll say 1 tablespoon of olive oil on this skillet. Then I'll add my chicken on there. Add it real slow so I don't burn myself, because I've been burning myself lately, you guys. Ugh. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. But anyways, now I am going to add the other chicken breast in there. Once it is nice and golden brown, we're going to flip it over. You see that? That's flavor, honey. That's not it's not burnt, it's flavor. Okay, so once it is nice and cooked, look at that chicken. Tell me this chicken is not flavorful. So yeah, that's the way you want your chicken, honey. Once you have that ready, put it on the side. We're going to cook the veggies. I mean, veggies optional in my opinion, because a lot of people do not eat veggies, but you better eat your veggies. We're going to cook them until they're nice and tender, and then we're going to take it out. Now it's time to chop the chicken. Okay, we're going to dice it into small little cubes, or you can whatever size you want, but small size is always better for chicken quesadilla. Once you chop them up just like so, you're going to add your tortilla to a non-stick skillet. I am spraying it with a non-stick spray and then add my tortilla. I am using flour tortilla. Just add your tortilla in there. Then we'll add some cheese. The cheese I'm using, it's mozzarella. You can use cheddar, white cheddar, mild, sharp, whatever you want. I like the mozzarella, so that's what I'm using. Now I am going to add my chicken on there, just like this. You can add as much chicken as possible, but don't add too much, because you want to close this so it can stay and stick and look like a chicken quesadilla. Yeah. So now I am going in with the peppers and the onion. Just add it all over. Now I was making this for a few company I had over, so it was for kids basically, so I'm not even gonna trip. So I added my little cheese on there, and then press it down with this what is that, spatula, whatever it is. Just press it down, honey, until that cheese is melt, and then you all done. Now this is the perfect lunch, quick lunch, whatever you want to call it. This is it, quick and easy chicken quesadilla. Okay, hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to cut it for you guys. I mean, my chicken quesadilla was sitting for a little bit because, honey, you gotta take that good thumbnail, so it was sitting for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, my cheese looking a little, you know, cold, but that's okay. But you guys get the point. This is it. It's still cheesy, it's still delicious. This is it, you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to like it, because this is the perfect quick recipe, especially if you're in a hurry, you hungry, you gotta eat now. This is perfect. This is, oh, it looks so delicious. Okay, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe if you're watching me or watching my videos for the first time. Please subscribe and comment down below what you think about these. Are you guys going to try it? You see how it's still cheesy. Yes, honey, cheesy. I love cheese. Okay, this is it, guys. Be sure you guys go subscribe to my vlog channel, guys. Please help me get to 1K. Thank you. And also subscribe here as well, of course. Thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.